Queens Japan, please give our certificate. And of course, our judges, please pose with them for a photo. Ayan, maraming
Judges, may we invite you to
and the judges will also be helping us give out some of the checks for the winners.
Nakaka-excite naman yung mga punyari ngayon. Ang dami-dami.
Oo.
Dami-daming nanalo.
And now, for our second place,
Average score of 90.33.
is group number 4! Congratulations, Cowboy and Justin.
Ito na.
Thank you very much. Ayan na, ito na nga.
Ang grand prize at kinag-iintay at kinagagalak ng lahat ng tao.
Yes. Ready na ba kayo? Ready na tayo. So we would like to call in the representative of Philippine Airlines to award the grand
Prize winner.
Winner.
Yes. The grand prize winner will become, the grand prize money will be coming from Queens Japan and the round trip airfare will be coming from Philippine Airlines.
Philippine Airlines, maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
And from the grand prize also comes from the Philippine Assistance Group.
Exactly.
Ayan. Before anything else, sir, would you like to say something?
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sato from Philippine Airlines. And here today is one very important announcement which Philippine Airlines is holding our annual year-end state sale. And today is the final day. So this year we are special fare starting from 8,000 yen round-trip fare without checked baggage. Of course, we also have fares that include checked baggage, just like before. So you can now choose the fare that fits your travel needs and how much luggage you plan to bring. So, if you're thinking about a trip next year, please consider booking today. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Right.
Thank you very much. And
Ready?
now, ang makakatanggap ng PAL Airfare Ticket plus 150,000 pesos.
Sino ba yan?
Yen, ha? Yen.
Yen.
Ah.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
Yes, our grand prize winner with an average score of 96% is